Andy! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Lotus root and rib soup was rated as one of the top 10 classic dishes in Hubei, a province known for its rich lotus root. This soup is extremely easy to make and super healthy as well. Please hit the like button and let's get started. Here are 1 pound of pork ribs, which I have asked the butcher to cut them into these 1-inch thick strips. Slice them in between the bones into individual ribs. These are back ribs. You can also use spare ribs if you want. Add the ribs, cooking wine, and 1.5 liters of water to a pot. Partially put on the lid and bring it to a boil. While waiting, we can prepare the lotus root. Discard the ends, peel the skin, and cut the lotus root into bite-sized pieces. The water is boiling now. Take the ribs out and set them aside. Pour the blanching water through a cheesecloth into a clay pot to eliminate the impurities. This will make sure the soup comes out clear. If you don't have a clay pot, a regular stock pot will do just fine. Add the blanched ribs, lotus root, 6 slices of ginger. If you're serving this to someone who's having a cold, I recommend to increase the amount of ginger. Some white part of the scallion stalks, I diced the green part and reserved as garnish. 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns and 6 jujube dates. Bring it to a boil over high heat, then switch the heat to the lowest and simmer for 1.5 hours or until the ribs are tender. Before serving, add salt to taste and garnish with diced scallions and goji berries. Unlike the thick and creamy types of soup in Western cuisines, this is the kind of soup that Chinese people love. It is light, clear, delightful, and healthy. Believe it or not, Chinese soups are served more as a beverage on the dinner table. We like to drink it before and after eating, and we believe that the broth will smooth the stomach, which is good for the body. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!